A cloudy start in the south with outbreaks of rain and drizzle. A sunny but chilly start in the north, but the outlook turns colder for all of us. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday, 21st.
Around about that time tonight, but otherwise, yes, I would, Richard.
OK. All right.
What from being a bit of a downer about that, you've got some other gloomy news.
Yes, so every year the UN release an emissions gap report, and I'm going to tell you what it is and why it's so important. I'd just like to bring you the latest climate science, explain why it matters to all of us. But this report shows the level of warming that we could reach with our current emissions. First of all, where are we now? We're currently at 1.2 degrees of warming since pre-industrial times, when we started the Industrial Revolution. Our aim with all of our climate commitments is to limit our warming to 2 degrees, ideally 1.5. And now back to the UK weather, which is pretty cloudy. But the big thing we'll notice for the next few days is it's turning a lot colder. Cold air waiting in the wings. By the end of the week, a northerly blast of air develops, and we'll be wrapping up and hearing that heating click as the temperatures... Good morning to you. I liked how Andy had his quiet voice because he's clearly by the pool that doesn't want to wake people up. The sunshine rises there at around about half an hour's time, and the weather for him actually is looking pretty cloudy today, with maybe the chance of some drizzle in the air, and 26 degrees. So him and Richard not having much luck with their overseas travels, finding that sunshine. But we will have, there'll be some decent spells of sunshine around. How do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Well, there's quite big changes coming. The big theme is it is set to turn a lot colder, and the other theme is no weather warnings in force, with no stormy weather on the cards. But for the north of the UK, for Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, it turns much milder for tomorrow, but a big drop in temperature below average as we head through the weekend into the start of next week. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK. Well, it's largely fine today. Wet weather moves in with the milder conditions through Wednesday and Thursday, but drier, if not very cloudy, as we head through to next week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, the big story is our temperatures. It's been mild and it turns colder as we head through the weekend and on into next week, with even the return of some nighttime frost. You'll certainly notice that chill in the air. And then percentage chance of rainfall. Well, the main theme is it's going to be very cloudy, limited amounts of brightness, overcast grey skies, and with these cloudy conditions, that brings the risk of some outbreaks of rain and drizzle as we head through the rest of the week. Good morning to you. Big changes with our weather through the next few days. It's been relatively mild, but as high pressure sits to our west, keeping things settled and storm-free, a northerly blast develops and things turn colder by the weekend. We lose the double digits and we'd end up into low single digits with our maximum temperatures by the end of the week. For today, it is cloudy. That will slowly clear, with some sunshine by this afternoon. So cloudy initially for much of England and Wales, the best of the sunshine in Scotland, where it is a chilly start to the day. But as we head through the day, a reverse of fortune. Scotland and Northern Ireland that start bright and sunny turn increasingly cloudy through the day, with rain in the Northern Isles. England and Wales that start pretty grey and grim, with rain and drizzle slowly brighten, with top temperatures 13 degrees. For the weather